Hello dear students, welcome back to CSC Success Mantra. In this video you will learn the biology MCQs based on the topic of botany and its branches. These questions and MCQs are very useful for all those students who are preparing for the competitive exams. Subscribe to Success Mantra for more such videos. First question is, scientist who is known as father of botany? A. Aristotle, B. Darwin, C. Theophrastus, D. Linnaeus. Its answer is Theophrastus. Theophrastus is a scientist who is known as the father of botany. Second question is, who is known as the father of biology? Father of biology किसे कहा जाता था? A. Aristotle, B. Darwin, C. Lamarck, D. Purkinje. Its answer is Aristotle. Aristotle is known as the father of biology. Third, the term biology was coined by A. Aristotle, B. Darwin, C. Lamarck, D. Lamarck and Treviranus. Its answer is Lamarck and Treviranus. बायोलॉजी टर्म जो है वो लेमार्क और त्रिवेरनस दोनों साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा दी गई थी. Who is known as the father of zoology? Its options are A. Darwin, B. Lamarck, C. Aristotle, D. Theophrastus. So its answer is C. Aristotle. Aristotle is known as the father of zoology. Fifth is, who is known as the father of medicine? Its options are A. Aristotle, B. Theophrastus, C. Hippocrates, D. Edward Jenner. So its answer is C. Hippocrates. Hippocrates is known as the father of medicine. Sixth is, the term biology is derived from the language. Options are A. French, B. Latin, C. Portuguese, D. Greek. So its answer is D. Greek. बायोलॉजी जो है वो टर्म ग्रीक लैंग्वेज से ली गई थी. द बुक हिस्टोरिया प्लांटरम इज रिटन बाय. इट्स ऑप्शंस आर ए. अरिस्टोटल, बी. थियोफ्राटस, सी. हिप्पोक्रेट्स, डी. डार्विन. So its answer is B. Theophrastus. The book Historia Plantarum was written by Theophrastus. Eighth question is, botany is also known as. Botany को और किस नाम से जाना जाता है? Its options are A. Phytology, B. Phycology, C. Pedology, D. Plantophyta. So its answer is A. Phytology. Botany is also known as phytology. Ninth question is, Aristotle is not known as. Aristotle को किससे नहीं जाना जाता था? A. Father of biology, B. Father of zoology, C. Founder of embryology, D. Father of botany. So its answer is father of botany. D is the correct answer. Aristotle is not known for the father of botany. 10th question is, in exobiology we study about A. External structure of living beings, B. Life present on earth, C. Life present in the other layer of earth's atmosphere, D. Life found in space and on satellite. Its answer is life found in space and on other satellite. एक्सोबायोलॉजी के अंदर हम लाइफ फाउंड इन यूनिवर्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. 11th question is the science related with the study of living. Its option is physics, B is chemistry, C is biology, D is mathematics. So its answer is C, biology. Biology is the science related with the study of living. 12th is phycology is the branch of botany in which we study about A. Alga, B. Fungi, C. Ecology, D. Virus. So its answer is A. एल्गा. फाइकोलॉजी के अंदर फाइकोलॉजी बॉटनी की वो ब्रांच है जिसके अंदर हम एल्गा के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. 13th क्वेश्चन इज ओथ टेकन बाय मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स इज गिवन बाय. जो मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स शपथ लेते हैं वो किसके द्वारा दी गई थी? ए. अरिस्टोटल, बी. थियोफ्राटस, सी. हिप्पोक्रेट्स, डी. डार्विन. सो इट्स आंसर इज सी. हिप्पोक्रेट्स. The oath taken by medical graduates is given by Hippocrates. 14th, branch of biology in which we study about the relationship between the living and their environment. A. Physiology, B. Genetics, C. Ecology, D. Geology. So its answer is C. Ecology. बायो की वो ब्रांच जिसके अंदर हम लिविंग बींग्स और उनके एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में पढ़ते हैं उसे इकोलॉजी कहते हैं. 15th, ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी इन विच वी स्टडी अबाउट द कल्टीवेशन. वो ब्रांच बायोलॉजी की जिसके अंदर हम कल्टीवेशन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. ए. फिनियोलॉजी, बी. फ्लोरिकल्चर, सी. एग्रोनॉमी, डी. बॉटनी. सो इट्स आंसर इज बी. फ्लोरिकल्चर. Floriculture is a branch of biology in which we study about the cultivation. 16th is study of flower is A. Ethrology, B. Agrostology, C. Phenology, D. Phyllonology. Its answer is A. Ethology. फ्लावर्स के बारे में स्टडी करने को एथोलॉजी कहा जाता है. 17th is paleobotany is the branch of biology in which we study about cultivation. Its options are A. Animal fossils, B. Plant fossils, C. Seeds of plant, and D. Flower. Its answer is B. Plant fossils. Paleobotany जो है वो बायो की वो ब्रांच है जिसके अंदर हम प्लांट फॉसिल्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. 18th, mycology is the branch of biology in which we study about the cultivation of A. Alga, B. Fungi, C. Bacteria, D. Virus. माइकोलॉजी जो है वो बायो की वो ब्रांच है जिसके अंदर हम फंजाई की कल्टीवेशन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. सो इट्स आंसर इज बी. फंजाई. 19th क्वेश्चन इज silviculture is a branch of biology in which we study about the cultivation of A. culture of alga, B. development of forest, C. culture of fungi, D. Silsiphidia plant. Its answer is B. development of forest. Silviculture is the branch of biology in which we study about the development of forest. Next is branch of agriculture concerned with the production of crops. A. Agrotology, B. Agronomy, C. Agrostology, D. Anthropology. So its answer is B. Agronomy. Agronomy is the branch of agriculture in which we study about the production of crops. Next is agrostology is the study of A. seeds of oil, B. crop, C. grass, D. fruits. Its answer is C. grass. Agrostology is the study of grass. . 20th, Next is spermology is the study of A. Seed, B. Leaf, C. Fruit, D. पोलन ग्रेन्स। स्पर्मोलॉजी जो है वो किसकी स्टडी है? ए. सीड। सीड की स्टडी को हम स्पर्मोलॉजी बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज पेडोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ ए. डिजीज, बी. पॉल्यूशन, सी. सॉइल, डी. रॉक्स। पेडोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ सी. सॉइल। मिट्टी के बारे में जो पढ़ाई की जाती है उसको हम पेडोलॉजी बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज स्टडी ऑफ फ्रूट इज कॉल्ड ए. स्पर्मोलॉजी, बी. एथोलॉजी, सी. पेडोलॉजी, डी. पोमोलॉजी। सो इट्स आंसर इज डी. पोमोलॉजी। Study of fruit is called the pomology. Next question is study of pollen grains. Its options are A. Pomology, B. Palynology, C. Phycology, D. Mycology. So its answer is B. Palynology. Study of pollen grains is known as palynology. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टडी ऑफ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लांट्स. प्लांट्स की जो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर की स्टडी होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? ए. मॉर्फोलॉजी, बी. एनाटॉमी, सी. इकोलॉजी, डी. टेक्सोनॉमी. सो इट्स आंसर इज बी. एनाटॉमी. स्टडी ऑफ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लांट्स इज नोन एज एनाटॉमी. नेक्स्ट इज स्टडी ऑफ एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर एंड देयर फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड. Its options are A. Morphology, B. Anatomy, C. Ecology, D. Phycology. So its answer is A. Morphology. Morphology is the study of external structure and their form. Next is study of pollen grains. Its options are A. Pomology, B. Palynology, C. Phycology, D. Mycology. So its answer is palynology. पोलन ग्रेन्स की स्टडी को पायलनोलॉजी कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी विच डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ आइडेंटिफिकेशन, नॉमेनक्लेचर एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स इज ए. एक्सोबायोलॉजी, बी. इकोलॉजी, सी. टेक्सोनॉमी, डी. toxicology. So its answer is C. Taxonomy. Next question is estimation of age by woody plant by counting annual rings. So its option is A. Dendrology, B. Dendrochronology, C. Agronomy, D. Demography. So its answer is Dendrochronology. Next is physical basis of life. So its options are A. Cytoplasm, B. Nucleoplasm, C. Protoplasm, D. Haloplasm. So its answer is C. Protoplasm. Physical basis of life is protoplasm. Study of process of aging. So its options are A. Gynecology, B. Gerontology, C. Ontogeny, D. None of these. Its answer is B. Gerontology is the study of process of aging. Next is cultivation of ornamental shrub plants. Its option is agronomy, B. Olericulture, C. Arboriculture, D. Silviculture. So its answer is B. Olericulture is the cultivation of ornamental shrub plants. Next is branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation. So its options are A. Histology, B. Cytology, C. Genetics, D. Evolution. So its answer is C. Genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variations. Next is study of growing plants without soil in water containing nutrients. Its options are A. Hydroponics, B. Hydroponics, C. Hypotonics, D. None. So its answer is B. Hydroponics. Hydroponic is the study of growing plants without soil. Next is microscopic organisms which passively float on the surface of water is called A. Phytoplanktons, B. Zooplanktons, C. A and B both, D. None of these. So its answer is C. A and B both. It means phytoplanktons and zooplanktons are the microorganisms which float on the surface of water. Next is study of effect of light on various biological process. A. Photobiology, B. Photobiology, C. Photometry, D. None of these. So its answer is B. Photobiology. Photobiology is the study of effect of light on the biological life processes. Next is the branch of geology that study dinosaurs is an example of A. Sophrology, B. Petrology, C. Paleontology, D. Histology. So its answer is C. Paleontology. Next is the study of ancient plants like mosses that grow in moist, humid environment is A. Ethnobotany, B. Bryology, C. Palynology, D. Dendrology. So its answer is B. Bryology. Next is Botanical Survey of India, that is BSI, headquarters is located in which city? A. Assam, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. भोपाल. बोटेनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया जो है उसके हेडक्वार्टर्स जो हैं वो भारत के कौन से शहर में लोकेटेड हैं? इसका आंसर है कोलकाता. Thanks for watching, dear students. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to CSE Success Mantra for more such useful videos.